Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Niella. And this is another Sunday vlog. So today I want to make French toast. I actually forget to show you guys the ingredient, but I have cinnamon here, a little bit of sugar. I have vanilla, I have milk and eggs, and my bread is just at the corner. I'm going to be getting my non-stick frying pan and my butter because I'm going to be doing it the local way. So I'm not going to be toasting it in a toaster. I'm going to be doing it with a frying pan. Yeah. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Niella. I create content around everything you see on this channel, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any new video.
I want your heart, your soul, and your whole body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love. To my head, say make I deny you. I go tell them, say lie, no be lie, yeah. I fit to spend all my money on you. I spend a couple million on you. I give you love until you say don't do, yeah. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my baby. Anytime when you need me, come through, my sare, wale. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my shorty, oh Ricky, my baby, Uncle to buffet, Loma get stuck on my lobe, ewo, body on jet, Ataro do mo ide pepe dem ma, tomato, kosingo be, le pa jo pepe rempe jo wo ma se mi le she, yeah.
So guys, I have one baking I have one in the toaster. I just wanted to see, if there's going to be a difference between doing it in a toaster or just doing it the traditional way,
Special type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, do mommy anytime where I stay with you. I want your heart, your soul, and your whole body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love.
This is the one I have in the toaster. It's actually very soft and moist, if I do say so myself. So, but I think I still want to toast it a little more so that you guys can see the difference between toasting and traditional toasting. So this is the one I toasted using. This is the one I made with the toaster. So I think I like the way, it's making noise. I think I like the way the one I toasted actually looks good, guys. I didn't even wash my face this morning. It looks good, but I had to give the both of them to my husband to try, and he said I may not be able to eat the one they toasted because it has like you could taste the raw eggs in it. Disclaimer, I don't eat French toast. I just saw the recipe during the lockdown sometime last year when CCME uploaded the French toast recipe, and I just took it and I just asked, my yard people. He was willing to try, and the first day I made it for them, he liked it, and so I started making it, but I think it's over 3 months since I made French toast last. I think the last time maybe was in August. That was the last time I made it, or maybe early September. But we had sliced bread, and I was like, okay, sliced bread has been here before Christmas, and now it's already New Year. Instead of, having to use it to eat eggs and stuff like that, I just decided to use to make French toast. Like I said, I don't eat it. I don't eat pancakes. I don't eat French toast. I don't know. It just, the taste, because I know I'm going to be getting the raw egg taste, and it kind of puts me off. Like, I don't really eat eggs that are not well fried, eggs that are not really brown, like inside, outside, middle. It will just make me want to throw up. So yeah, I'm just going to tidy up everywhere. I don't know what next I'm going to do, but it's nearly Saturday. I'm not supposed to cook anything because I did a lot of cooking, from the Christmas to the New Year. But yeah, I just had to do this French toast for them. Like I said, I don't know what I'm going to do again. Whatever is what, I'm going to let you know. It's really snowing. I'm going to show you guys. So this is my window view. It's snowed. It's still snowing, so it's not like it's snowed. Let me just show you guys the door, because sometimes the window just hides all the view. So yeah, still snowing outside. It's cold, yeah, but I'm just going to go have my bath when I'm done taking out the dishes from the dishwasher and clear up everywhere. That's it.
Talking drum and shakere combination. I'm taking. Oh no, I'm taking. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I'm looking for my journey. Maka say tumbum, where is my journey? Wombo lombo. Say your baby know where you day so, where you day so. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh, no be mouth away, love no be for mouth no be mouth away. I dey hear the sound of a tambourine, no. Talking drum and shakere combination. I'm taking. Oh no, I'm taking. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I'm looking for my journey. Maka say tumbum, where is my journey? Wombo lombo. Say your baby know where you day so, where you day so. See baby, come on. Because no be mouth away, love no be for mouth no be mouth away. I dey hear the sound of a tambourine, no. Talking drum and shakere combination. I'm taking.